Hello everyone, welcome back to our complete 30 days training series. In today's class, we are going to learn data and time functions in Power BI. We are going to learn date and time functions in Power BI in this class. So, date and time functions are very important because almost every business report contains dates like order date, sales date, delivery date, joining date, etc. Right? So, by the end of the session, you will be able to extract years, months, weekdays, calculate age, and work with dates effectively. So the first question is, what are date and time functions? Let me explain in whiteboard, okay? Date and time functions are DAX functions that help us manipulate, extract and calculate values from dates. So what are date and time functions in DAX? Date and time functions are DAX functions that help us manipulate, extract and calculate values from dates. Example, we can take sales date, sales date and order date, and we can take delivery date, delivery date, and invoice date, and joining date. This is not data date. So these are the date functions example, okay? Why are date functions are important? Imagine you have a sales date data for 5 years. Instead of showing complete dates, you may want to know instead of showing complete dates, you may want to know sales by year and sales by month. And sales by quarter. Sales by quarter. And sales by weekdays. And sales in the current month. And sales in the previous year. So all these can be achieved using date functions, okay? For that reason, we will use the date functions. And what are today's functions? Today we will learn these functions. Wait, I will explain now. Today's functions. Now I will write. So today we will learn about these functions guys. Today now and year function and month function day function weekday function format function eighth is DATEDIFF function EDATE function and EOMONTH function. And first we will learn about today function. Okay, how we generate in Power BI desktop. Just to open Power BI desktop. Here we need to go to by default it wasn't report view, right? So we need to go to table view and here we need to write it DAX functions. Okay, in the first we need to create a new column. Okay, first initially new column.
Working on it.
Okay, now we need to give today function. First is today function only, right? The today function returns today's current date. See, today date, today's date. See in the address bar. Okay, here I'm typing today. If you complete your formula, then just press the enter button. Okay, then
working on it.
See here, it is showing the today's date. Today is July 4th, so it was reflecting July 4, 2026 and July 4 for all tables, for all columns. Sorry, but it is not reflecting time, right? So for reflecting time, we need another function. We have another function that is called. Wait, I will add another column also. New column.
Working on it.
Now here you need to do now function. Now means it will reflect time also. Including date, it will reflect time also. The now function returns the current date along with the current time. That is the definition. Current date time equal to now. If you complete your query, if you complete your formula, just press on enter button. Okay,
working on it.
See, now it will show the time also. Yeah, now the time is 9:39. So it is showing 9:39, including seconds it is showing. See, now we have another formula, year function. Now I will explain year function. For that you need to go to home session. In the home session you need to go to new column. Here,
working on it.
Okay. Now you have to go to year function, right? Just a minute please. It is loading. Okay. Now year function, year equal to, see here it is showing suggestions. If you are okay for that, you just press the tab button. That's enough. Year of table name. What is the table name?
Working on it.
Year of, what is the table name here? Customer table, right? Customers table name, and here you need to select date time. See, now it was
Working on it.
reflected here. See, it is reflected today. I mean, this year only 2026 for all the columns. So no problem for that. Now you need to take after year month, right? Just a minute, I will check now. After year month and our day. After that weekday. Okay. So further you need to give another column, new column.
Working on it.
Okay. Now you have to give month function, right? Month equal to month of this table is customer table, right? Customer in the customer date current date time. Okay. If you give a suggestion, just press the tab button. Okay. That I already said to you. Then after that click
Working on
enter.
it.
Then it will reflect. Yeah, this month, 7th month, right? July. That's the reason it is showing 7,000 for all. Now month is over. Now day function. Coming to day function. Okay. For day function, click on the again. You need to click a new column.
Working on it.
So here you need to give to day function, right? Day equal to customers. Okay. Now it is not shown any suggestion, right? So just it was completed now. Now I'm just pressing the enter button. Okay.
Working on it.
Okay. Now it is showing that 4. It means July 4th. This today's July 4th, right? So it is showing the July 4. Okay. Okay for that. Now month day is completed. Now weekday, right? For weekday there is a formula. Just click on the new column.
Working on it.
Now week column. Week day. Sorry. Weekday equal to weekday of okay. Now table name. What is the table name? Customer table name, right? Customer. If you complete this one, just press the enter button. Okay, that's enough.
Working on it.
See, no, the weekday is 7. If you tell it that 7 will come, no problem for that. Just continue the DAX functions in the DAX functions. Weekday is completed. Now format function is there. Suppose you don't want month number, instead you want month name. So further there is a formula, month name, right? New column,
Working
click
on
on
it.
new column. Now here month name. Understood. Month name. Month name equal to format of, you need to write format function here. Today function here. Comma. Now use double quotes. That's it only. Month name formula. If you practice in daily like 2 or 3 times, then these functions you will remember, guys. So no worries on that.
Working on it.
So month name is July, right? So July it was printed. July for all. Okay. If you don't want month number, if you want month name, then you use this formula days. That's function. It will reflect. Now I will explain about date diff. For that you need to add new column again.
Working on it.
Okay, here date diff equal to here not date diff. You need to give experience. Experience. What is experience? If you have 4 months experience means what it means. Uh, if you are working from February onwards, February and now July, right? So July minus February. July is 7th month, right? So 7 minus February means 2, second month. So 7 minus 2 equal to 5 months. So you have 5 months of experience. It means you are you are taking difference between now and present and past date. Okay, like that you can take date diff. Date diff of, it will represent 0, I think so. Let me write date diff of table name. What is table name? Customers, right? Customers.
Working on it.
Represent. Sorry here. Comma. Today today function, and after that you have to give year now. After finishing the formula, you just give to enter, right?
Working on it.
Okay. Experience is nothing but it is not taken in experience because it is today's date only. It is taken, right? So today's date and current date both are same rate. So that's why it is the experience is zero for all. If it is let more, if it is exceed one month, then it will show rise. But here the past date and present date both are equal only. So it is taken as 0 months. Right, I hope you understand. If you did not understand any point, just comment me this. I will take you a special class, okay? No worries on that. Now, date diff also completed. Now you can take EDATE function. EDATE, what is EDATE function? It will return a date after adding months. Okay, formula will explain now.
Working on it.
Now, next month equal to EDATE of EDATE of what is the table name customers rate? Customers daily, and in that what is the column name? You can take today's date. Today date. Okay. Okay. And customer data of today. Function from a year. Year. Hmm. This is
Working on
a
it.
formula for next month. Okay. Sorry. Period of custom, not custom that it is actually by default it was taken like that. It is customer data because table name we have written wrong. Now customer data, right? Customers. Now this bracket. Current date time. Here what is the table name? Current data, right? Current date time we can take. Now click enter.
Working on it.
No, not date. Here the formula is on the so it is not reflecting. Okay, comma 1.
Working on it.
See now the next month is reflecting now, including time. Time is not reflecting. August 4, 2026. So the next month means today is July 4th, right? So it is reflecting next month July 4th to August 4th, right? So 1 month is difference. That next month is means that is the only difference we have, right? That is the definition we have. What is the next month? Next month means this month is July, right? So next month means August. So it is reflecting August 4th, so it is right, correct only. Now I will explain EOMONTH. So what is EOMONTH? It will return the last day of a month. Okay. It will reflect the last day of a month. I am adding new column.
Working on it.
Now month end. EOMONTH. EOMONTH of order date. Here you need to date the current date time or today's date. Anything you can take. Now comma 0. These are the formulas just see, so you should remember all these formulas.
Working on it.
Because if you are working in any software company, then these companies should be in your brain. Then only you can easily solve any problem raised. So my suggestion is read all the DAX formulas once. It will take like at least like 2-3 days. You can easily finish. Then you can go to next classes. Okay. Now year is completed, month is over, day is also over. Today's date is over. Current time, current date time was also over. Current date time we use now functional, right? Yeah, now function. Okay. Experience is over. Now I will drag these fields into a table visual and observe the output. Okay. Just go into the report view. Just take some table visual. Okay. Now drag all the fields in a table that we have created right now. So those fields, if you created now, just observe the output. Okay. Day is over. Experience month name. Month end, next month. today's date, weekday, year. So we drag all these fields into a table visual to observe the output. Okay. So sum of days 32, sum of experience is 0, sum of month is 56. Month name is July. July 20. So these sales are belongs to the July 31st. July 31st, 2026, and it is from quarter 3, August 4th. Sum of weekdays 56, and if you calculate from sum of year, then it came like 16,208. So these data we get. Guys, if you want this input sheet, just comment me in below address that we need in input sheet like that. If you comment like that, then I will definitely forward to you guys. So that's it, guys. So I will explain in our business. If you are doing any business, then we will get sales report. It means sales by year. In sales report, we will get sales by year, right? Then it will be useful for us sales by year. And in HR dashboard, you can do like employees experience. Employees experience. By using this, I'm saying employees, not employees, right? And after that, retail dashboard. Now I will say about retail dashboard. In retail dashboard, you will get sales by month, right? We can calculate sales by month also by using this input sheet. So in retail dashboard, we can calculate sales by month. So it would be useful for retail dashboard, and you can create band dashboard also. So that's it just for today class. So thanks for everyone. Thank you.